In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Opera GX browser in Windows 11 PC or laptop. If you no longer need Opera GX on your Windows 11 computer, removing it is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Whether you're switching to another browser, troubleshooting an issue, or simply freeing up storage space, Windows provides a built-in way to remove applications safely. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can uninstall Opera GX from your PC or laptop with confidence. Before getting started, make sure Opera GX is completely closed. If the browser is still running in the background, Windows may not allow the uninstallation to proceed correctly. Take a moment to close any open Opera GX windows before moving on to the next step. Once the browser has been closed, move your cursor to the Start button on the Windows taskbar. Right-click the Start button to open the Quick Link menu. This menu provides convenient access to several important Windows management tools. From the list of available options, select Apps and Features. Windows will open the Installed Apps section, where you can view and manage all of the applications currently installed on your computer. After the Apps and Features page loads, scroll through the list until you locate Opera GX. Since the applications are listed alphabetically, finding Opera GX should be fairly straightforward. If you have many applications installed and prefer a quicker method, you can also use the search bar at the top of the page to search for Opera GX directly. Once you've found Opera GX in the list, click on the browser entry to reveal the available options. You'll see an Uninstall button. Click Uninstall to begin removing the application from your computer. Windows will display a confirmation message letting you know that the app and its related information will be removed. Review the prompt, then click Uninstall once more to confirm your choice. Windows will begin the removal process automatically. Depending on your system, this may only take a few moments to complete. After the process finishes, Opera GX will no longer appear in your list of installed applications, confirming that the browser has been successfully removed from your Windows 11 computer. At this point, the uninstallation is complete, and you can continue using your computer as normal. That's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to uninstall Opera GX from a Windows 11 PC or laptop by closing the browser, opening the Apps and Features section, locating Opera GX, and confirming the removal process. It's a quick and straightforward task that can be completed in just a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,